Put it in there. Watch this nigga. He's doing spins.
He's fucking rolling down this shit. Watch this shit.
I trained this nigga.
This nigga will roll again.
Oh, fuck.
He's trying his hardest.
He's like, he can do it again.
He's gonna do this shit right here.
Right here.
Like,
First
man,
try.
I'm trying to roll down this shit. This shit feel good.
I wonder what he's thinking, dude. He's like, look.
What the fuck is he trying to do?
That nigga rolled, dude. We didn't got you. Did you get it?
Come on, you can do it. Roll, motherfucker. This nigga's probably hella fucking bored.
Oh shit! There you go.
The